Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel for an impromptu video. So I'm filming this on Tuesday and I'm hoping that I can edit on Tuesday and upload it on Tuesday. So this will be my second video today that you'll see. And I'm hoping to do maybe some more of these over the sale period. So if there's any stores that you want me to do it for, then let me know. Today, I haven't already said, but you'll see the title, it's an ASOS sale haul. So I ordered this yesterday when the sale went live and I got it today. This giant ASOS parcel. I think I spent like £280. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys some of my favourite pieces, and I've actually seen, I think it was Freddie My Loves, she did something really fun on her YouTube channel, so I thought I'd do the same. I've got an empty rail of hangers here, and basically if I'm going to keep the item, I'll hang it up. If I'm not, then I won't. But I actually did my vlog, my haul last week like this, and I quite liked the like talking you through wearing it and kind of this different dimension, or like dimension, is that right? Different take on a haul. So yeah, I thought I'd do this, and so let me know what you think. Let me if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on with the haul. So the first thing I think is a dress, but I'm not 100% sure. It's like it's red, broderie anglaise. Oh no, it's a little crop top. Oh, I remember ordering this. It's so cute. Let's try this on. So this top is £11 and I got it in a size 10. And I really like it. Let me just put my hair to the back so you can see. It's a really nice length, like just not, it's like a crop top but not too cropped. It's got this square neckline. I'm not wearing a bar, but if I was then it would be like more puffy here. And it's got these like puff sleeves but they're not too puffy. And I really like the red colour. I think it's a really nice top, and it's like this kind of broderie anglaise material all gathered. I think this one is definitely going on the rail. So next I have some denim, and I honestly don't remember ordering a denim jacket because I have so many like denim jackets, it's unreal. So I don't know what persuaded me to buy this. I bought this quite early yesterday, like literally as soon as I saw the sale went live, I went sale shopping. So let me know if you want me to do like a Net-a-Porter haul or something. Like, I would love the opportunity to do that. Oh, I remember why I picked this. It's got a really cool back. Okay, let's try this on. So I got this in a large, so it was like super oversized. And it's from Pull & Bear, and it was £29.50, and I remember I got it because it's got this amazing detail on the back, and it really reminded me of like Tommy Hilfiger, and I just thought it'd be really cute with like summer dresses for the summer, and just like, I just thought it was a really cool jacket, and I think I'm definitely going to keep this. This is going on the rail. So next I have a pair of shoes. They are from Puma, and I remember ordering these. It's a pair of shoes that I've been looking at for a while. I really like the platform shoes. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. I'll put my name here. I love like platform shoes, so you'll see me wearing them all the time on my blog, on here if you see me style other outfits. I love like the Superga style platforms, and I've just got some Converse, so I'm like, with the platforms, I'm kind of like breaking into other ground. So I wanted to get another style, and I just saw these ones from Puma and I thought they were really cool. So they're like all pink. They've got like the pink sole, they're pink suede with like the gold detail, and they look really cool. But these are the shoes from Puma. They were £60, reduced from 85, so that is quite a good saving. They're actually really light and comfortable, and I thought they were going to be really heavy, but they are quite big for me. Like, I think I got a size 8 and I could have got a size 7, and I'm normally an 8, so I reckon size down if you get these. But they're so nice, and I love the pink suede, like with the tan and the blue like short ankle jeans. I just really like this look actually. I think I'm sold on these. So next up we have another piece of denim. I vaguely remember ordering this skirt. I think it's from River Island, and it's like patchwork denim, which I thought was really cool. Yep, definitely remember this. And it's kind of like, it's like a shorter skirt, but it's not like a mini skirt, and I really liked this. I don't have anything like this, so I thought it was really fun. So this is the skirt, and I got it in a size 10 because I'm not really sure on River Island sizing, but it is actually quite big, so I reckon I could have gone for an 8 in this. And also it's £30, and it was only £38 to begin with, so I'm just not 100% sure if it's kind of worth the discount. I know it's still a lovely skirt, but I feel like I would have liked a bigger discount, so I'm not sure this one's going to go on the rail. So next I have a t-shirt, and I remember this t-shirt well. It was so cheap, and it basically really reminded me, you know that Balenciaga bag? I'm going to put a picture in here. There's a Balenciaga bag that has got this print on it, and it's like exactly the same print, and I thought it was really cool. So yeah, I got this t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt on. I got it in a size medium. It was £9.50, which is so affordable. Definitely great for Balenciaga print without the Balenciaga price point. I would probably just like, I'm not a big fan of it like this, so I'd probably just like chuck it in, or like do this with the sleeves, or maybe just tie it in a knot, though I don't know if that will affect the print too much. I still think it looks nice. But yeah, I think this is such a good like cheap slogan tee if you haven't already got one, and I love the fact that this is Paris, and oh, it's like velvet. Oh, it's like velvet bits on it, I didn't realise, but yeah, I really like this. So the next thing is a little polka dot package, and I'm pretty sure this is a skirt. Okay, I can't get into it, I'm gonna have to rip it. And yeah, I saw this and I think it was like under £10, and I just thought it was a really cute little skirt. I didn't realise it was going to be jersey material though, so I'm kind of put off by that, but we'll see what it's like when it's on. But this skirt is a size 10 and it was £8, which is insane. It's tighter than I expected, so I thought it's going to be like kind of cotton, but like stiff cotton, and I thought it was going to be a bit looser, and it is very tight, and it's jersey. So I feel like it's a really nice skirt if this is what you're expecting. It's not what I was expecting, and I know it's only £8, but I think this one is not going to get a hanger. So this next one is a little package from the Sula. I remember ordering this dress, it's like yellow gingham, and I was really shocked because I didn't know that Le Sula were stocked on ASOS. But yeah, this is a really cute, oh, it's got like a crossover back detail, and it's got like a knot front, cut out detail, and it's just a really cute little yellow gingham dress, so I wanted to give this a try. So this dress was £18 and it's a size 8, and I'm in love. Isn't this like the cutest little summer dress? I honestly think it's so cute, and it's just like really simple at the back. It's got this crossover detail, if you can see. And then here it's got this thing. It is actually a bit longer, and I wasn't sure about this, but then I just literally just tucked that, and now I love it. So I think it's such a cute dress. Honestly, I think this is like my favourite dress this summer. So I think this is another dress. I remember picking a floral number from Pretty Little Thing, and I love all these like affordable stores are now on ASOS. It's so good that you can, first of all, that they all go on sale together, because some of the stores like Pretty Little Thing aren't actually on sale at the moment. And second of all, I love that you can see how ASOS style them, because they do style them to look, let's just say, classier. And then second of all, you can get free shipping and all together. So I love this dress. I picked this out because I thought it was a really good like wedding dress kind of option, not actual wedding dress, but like a wedding guest dress. It's got like a flare sleeves, little roses all over it, cut out detail, peplum, very cute, very summery. Very like summer occasion, and I think it's really cheap too, so I'm going to try this on. So this is £13, it's size 10, it fits perfectly, it is honestly the cutest dress, and it has really nice like cut out detail. I don't have an occasion for this, but I feel like I'm going to keep it because I think it'll look really cute as well, like just with trainers, like really casual it down, and so it's really nice big wide sleeve detail. Oh, it's just so flattering too, because I didn't know how it was going to fit because the skirt looked quite wide, and for some reason I thought it was going to be straight down. I love this. So the next thing I've picked out, I think, is another skirt. It's from a brand that I always see on ASOS that I love, called, I think it's, I don't know if it's YS or Yaz, or like Yaz. But it's like this, oh, tissue paper, this little skirt, and, well, not little skirt, so like a long midi skirt. It's elasticated, and then it's like, it is actually wrap over, so you get a little flash of a leg, because sometimes they're like fake wrap over. This is actually wrap over. It's a really nice like forest green colour, and I wore a green dress the other day, exhibit A, and I got so many compliments on it that I was like, I need more green in my wardrobe. And so yeah, I thought I'd order this because it was on sale. I'm hoping I've tilted you far enough so you can see this. I really like this. It's a really nice, pretty like ditzy floral pattern. It's quite wintry though, do you not think? Like, with the kind of colouring of it, it's quite wintry because it's like a midi skirt. I guess you could wear it any time of the year, but I really like the fact that you can get like a little bit of leg out. But yeah, I just don't know if I'll wear it enough. That's the only thing. So I'm not sure. Maybe I should like tentatively put it on the rail. But yeah, I do think it's £28 by the way, and I got it in a size 8. The size 8 fits so nicely. It's like plenty of room. Like you could probably, yeah, I definitely get a size 8 if you're between 8 and 10. But I'm just not sure about it. I think it's really nice, and I'd love to wear it, but I'm just not sure how much wear I get out of it and whether to keep it in case I wear it, if you know what I mean. So this next thing is a bag, and I've been looking at this bag on the ASOS website for ages. So when it went into the sale, I knew I had to get it. I just adore the colour of it, and it really, I need to take all this stuff off. It really reminds me of the Chloe backpack. The Chloe, I'll put a picture in here of the Chloe backpack, and I actually ordered this on the Chloe backpack's something I've wanted for ages, and I actually ordered this and then went to Bicester Village and they had the Chloe backpack, and I bought a Chloe backpack. So now I'm like, is there a need for this? Because I've got the Chloe one, but mine's quite in, like, you'll see the colour of it in my vlog, because I'm going to try my hardest not to show it before my vlog. But yeah, it's really cute. It's a really my one is really plain colour, and this is a really nice, like, vibrant colour, which would be so nice for summer. Like, can you imagine it with like a cream summer dress? I think it's so cute. So this one is going on the rail. Oh, I totally forgot to tell you that that backpack was £24. So we have another red thing here. I feel like I'm like into red at the moment. I've got like a red floral dress, a red top, and now another red dress. And this is so cute. I remember ordering this. I remember that it was like dirt cheap. It's red with like white broderie and glaze detail, and it's got this ruffle hem, and then it's got like all of the ruffle straps. I think it's got like, yeah, so it's got like normal straps, and then it's got off the shoulder straps. This is really cute and like perfect for summer. This is such a pretty dress. The colour is so beautiful. It's such a lovely like kind of pinky red. It's got this really nice back strap detail. I really like it. I think you could wear it back to front if you wanted to, if you wanted that detail at the front. And then it's got this nice off the shoulder, or you could wear it like double strap if you wanted to at the top. Then also it's elasticated, so you can have it stretched out, or you could have it like tucked under. I just think it's a really pretty dress, and it was £13, which is outrageous. And I'm wearing a size 10 here. And I think it fits perfectly. Sorry guys, I just realised it's £14, but that's still amazing. So this is the final thing, and it's actually a pair of jeans. I remember exactly what these are because I had these for a video I did with Collect Plus, and I am obsessed with them, and they fitted so nicely, so I wanted to get them as well. I've got this style, it's called the Farley. I've got them in a few different colours and washes because I love them. Some of them are ripped, some of them are not. And then I got these for the video, and they fitted so nicely that I had to get myself a pair. They are 34 leg though, so I don't know if they're going to be too long, but let's have a look. So these are the jeans. They fit so well. Like, look at how well they fit. They are so comfortable. They've got so much stretch in them, and the wash is amazing. So I'm definitely going to keep these. So they are a bit long, so I'm going to show you them in full length, like down the side here. But they are such a good fit. I mean, they do fit perfectly in the leg. I got waist 26, length 34, and just so you know, they were £19, which I think is amazing for a good pair of jeans. They had a few sizes left when I ordered them, so hopefully, I mean, all of these things had really decent sizing, so hopefully you guys will be able to pick them up too. And if not, I'll link alternatives, and I will do a blog post with like my pics of the sale as well, not these things, like other things, so that it's like a bit different. So yeah, but I do really like these. They're such a good fit, and I would totally recommend them. So I'm going to keep these jeans on because they're really comfortable. But thank you so much for watching my ASOS sale haul. Let me know what you guys think of everything I picked up, what you think about the sales this year. Do you want me to do more videos like this? I'm more than happy to, because I'm around these next couple of weeks. So if there's something you want me to do when the sales hit, if they're not in sale already, like Topshop or Pretty Little Thing, or of things that are already out there, maybe like Net-a-Porter, the Outnet, Mango, like there's a few different sales on. So yeah, if there's any that you want me to do, then let me know, and let me know what you think, and let me know what you think I should keep and what I should send back. I don't know what to do. And yeah, and I think tomorrow or today or the next day on Thursday there'll be another haul video, but like of my things that are new in this week, because I'm doing that every week now. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that, and if you want to see more sale hauls, which I will inevitably do. It's just if you want to have a say in it, then you can by commenting below. And also, so I know you watched to the end, leave me a comment about this sleepy bunny Penelope, and then I'll know that you watched till the end, and won't we, Penelope? And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.